Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a super frustrating Windows error I faced with Adobe and how I finally fixed it. Let's get right into it. So, I got this annoying message popping up on my screen. AdobeIPCBroker.exe, system error. The code execution cannot proceed because CRClient.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. No matter what I did, closing programs, restarting the computer, this message just wouldn't go away. It stayed on top of every program I opened. Seriously, it was incredibly frustrating. I tried everything I could think of, closing the program, restarting my PC, even searching online for fixes. But nothing worked. The error kept popping up, blocking my screen, and making it impossible to work. Finally, the fix that worked for me was simple. I had to uninstall Adobe completely and then reinstall it. Once I reinstalled the program, the error disappeared, and everything worked perfectly again. Honestly, it was a super frustrating experience, but sometimes a clean reinstall is really the easiest way to fix stubborn errors like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.